Hey guys! So we know that atoms work together to make each other happy, but the kind of bond that they form depends on how happy the individual atoms were before they bonded together. Now there are different levels of happiness. Some atoms are so unhappy that they're absolutely dying to gain or lose an electron. On the flip side, there are some atoms that are unhappy, but they're just mildly uncomfortable. The reality is that atoms are playing tug-of-war with the electrons depending on how happy they are. Let's take a look at the periodic table. We can recall from previous videos that groups 1, 2, and 3 want to lose electrons because it's easier for them to reach that full electron happy valence shell. And groups 5, 6, and 7 want to gain electrons in order to reach that fully complete shell. Group 4 can go either way, as we know. Well, this concept, why this all occurs, my friends, is called electronegativity. Electronegativity just means how much an atom wants to gain an electron. Makes sense, right? Electronegative, electro, meaning electric charge, negativity, referring to electrons because electrons have a negative electrical charge. Atoms that want to gain electrons will have a negative charge because more electrons make the charge more negative, right? So atoms that want to gain electrons will have a high electronegativity. On the other hand, atoms that want to lose electrons have a really low electronegativity. In fact, they have a high electropositivity because they prefer having a positive charge by losing electrons. In our lessons, we'll stick to talking in terms of electronegativity. But just so you know, electropositivity is the opposite of that. Let's practice.